Let's have a look at that. So recently, Narendra Modi got an award in Russia. Anybody who knows the name of the award? How many of you know Narendra Modi? My God, you'll know that, right? Yes. Okay. So recently, Narendra Modi had got an award in Russia. And what was the award? The award was the highest civil, like we have Bharat Ratna in India. Okay.
Order of Saint Andrew.
Yes, no. So PM Modi receives this Russia's highest civilian honor, which is called Order of Saint Andrew the Apostle, the first called. That's how it is named. Okay, the one he's wearing here on his neck, that's not a necklace. Okay, that's the honor. Okay, just like we have Bharat Ratna in India. So this is Russia in the world map. This is the capital, Moscow. The flag we all know. Now let's have a look at the honor. Looks like this. Okay, it's called Order of Saint Andrew the Apostle. It is actually given, it has been given to Narendra Modi as a symbol of friendship. Narendra Modi has maintained good relations with Russia, and that is why the president has given it to him. If you see here in this picture, you can observe that who's the other guy who's putting the medal on Modi ji?
Vladimir Putin.
And where was the award given in Russia? Where in Russia?
The capital. Kremlin.
What is Kremlin? What is Kremlin?
It's the palace in which God lives.
Yes, just like we have the Rashtrapati Bhavan in India, they have the Kremlin Palace in Russia where the president lives. And that's where this leader, he's the first Indian leader to ever get an award from Russia for this. And this is the president of Russia. I hope you all know Vladimir Putin by now.
Why is he giving us a side eye?
This is the palace, Grand Kremlin Palace. And let's have a look at some of the other awards which Narendra Modi has also received. So 14 honors from Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan, Palestine, Maldives, UAE, Bahrain, USA, Fiji, Papua New Guinea, Egypt, France, Greece, Bhutan, and Russia. Whew, that was a long list. And how many of you remember what was the name of the highest civilian honor of Bhutan? Druk Gyalpo, the Dragon King. Yes. So let's quickly enter this news in our news diaries.